If a drop of water could be purified until almost nothing remained but H2O molecules, would it still be suitable for drinking? At Sunresin's high-performance water laboratory, some of the purest water in the world is produced every day. Why is ultrapure water needed at all? A single microchip may contain billions, even tens of billions of transistors. Just one microscopic particle can cause a critical defect. In semiconductor manufacturing, the goal is clear: water containing virtually nothing but H2O, with purity approaching the theoretical limit. Achieving this level of deionization and contaminant removal depends on advanced uniform particle size ion exchange resin technology. Developed independently by Sunresin, these ultrapure water resins combine highly uniform bead size with a stable structure. They remove metal ions and trace ionic contaminants to extremely low levels, helping produce the ultrapure water required for chip manufacturing and other precision industries. Drinking water, however, follows a different principle. The goal is not to remove everything, but to eliminate harmful substances while maintaining a safe and balanced mineral profile. For drinking water applications, Sunresin's specialty selective resins remove excessive fluoride, nitrite, heavy metals, and other harmful contaminants, while helping preserve beneficial minerals, ensuring safe and balanced water quality. So, why is industrial ultrapure water not suitable for drinking? Ultrapure water has an extremely low osmotic pressure. Once ingested, it may draw electrolytes such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium from the body's cells, disrupting osmotic balance and potentially affecting human health. Ultrapure water is designed for extreme cleanliness. Drinking water is designed for safety and healthy balance. Sunresin, advancing a better future through precision separation technology.